Your corners are not as perfect as you think. Want flawless 90 degrees joints every single time? Watch as we uncover the best corner clamps that master woodworkers swear by. These tools lock your projects in place with zero hassle and pro-level accuracy. Grab the exact clamps we feature. Links are in the description box below. Let's dive in now. First on our list, the BESSEY WS3 corner clamp is a top pick for anyone serious about woodworking. Built with a rugged die-cast aluminum body and plastic-coated jaws, it's designed to take on frequent use in both home shops and professional settings. What makes it exceptional is its self-adjusting mechanism, which grips boards of varying thicknesses without losing alignment. This feature is a game-changer when working with pieces that aren't perfectly uniform. Woodworkers appreciate how it streamlines assembling cabinet frames, drawers, and boxes with impressive precision. Though it costs more than entry-level options, its durability and adaptability justify the price. For those who value accuracy and efficiency in their projects, the WS3 is an investment that pays off every time it's used. The CASIMR 90 degrees corner clamp offers impressive performance at a budget-friendly price. Compact and lightweight, it's perfect for quick setups and easy handling. Its spring-loaded design allows for fast, one-handed operation, saving time on repetitive tasks. Supporting material thicknesses from 3/16 to 3/4 of an inch, it's well-suited for small projects like picture frames, craft boxes, and birdhouses. While it doesn't match the clamping power of screw-style models, it excels in speed and user-friendliness. This makes it an excellent choice for beginners or casual DIYers who need a reliable tool without overspending. For light-duty tasks where convenience matters most, the CASIMR clamp is a surprisingly capable option. The LEJOSTOL aluminum alloy corner clamp stands out in the mid-range category for its durability and precision. Built from solid aluminum alloy, it offers a smart mix of strength and portability. Its key feature, the adjustable swing jaw, lets you secure pieces at multiple angles, not just 90 degrees, without losing stability. That's a game-changer for tasks like gluing, drilling, or nailing where precision matters. Rated 4.6 stars, it's trusted by users in cabinetry, furniture work, and light welding. These clamps hold up under pressure without bending or slipping, making them ideal for medium to large projects. If you need reliable clamping that adapts to your workflow, this set delivers serious value without breaking the bank. Ranked 4th, the WETOLS corner clamp is a top seller on Amazon, and for good reason. Designed for reliable 90 degrees holds, it delivers steady clamping force every time. Built with a durable mix of steel and high-quality plastic, it balances strength with ease of use. This set is especially handy for repetitive builds like drawer boxes, picture frames, or small furniture. You can clamp all corners at once, speeding up assembly without sacrificing precision. For DIYers and hobby woodworkers who value efficiency and accuracy, the WETOLS clamp set offers standout performance at a price that's hard to beat. It's a go-to tool for everyday workshop needs. Finishing off our list is the ALEC Toolz 90 degrees corner clamp, built for comfort and control. Made from sturdy aluminum, each clamp includes rubberized handles that feel good in your grip even during long projects. What sets this set apart is the included corner clips, which give extra joint support for cleaner, more accurate assemblies. Users consistently highlight the strong hold and reliable alignment, making these clamps a solid pick for detail-heavy work like cabinet doors, shelving, and other custom builds. If you're looking for a clamp set that reduces hand strain while boosting precision, ALEC Toolz delivers both in a well-rounded, easy-to-use package. That's it for our roundup of the best corner clamps to transform your woodworking projects. With these tools, achieving perfect 90 degrees joints has never been easier. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe for more woodworking tips and reviews, and drop a comment telling us which clamp you're adding to your toolkit. Share this video with anyone who loves DIY or carpentry. All the product links are waiting for you in the description box below. Go check them out!